Hello, you're looking at my lawnmower, my 4-stroke lawnmower, and what I find happens every time I mow is that the inside of the base of the lawnmower gets covered in lawn clippings, and this mower is turned off, so it's turned off before I poke my fingers inside the mower around the blades. And those lawn clippings on my last mower, they rusted out the whole base, and it only lasted about 6 years. The motor was fine, but the base rusted after 6 years. So I had to buy a new lawnmower. So what I do now is I wait for the lawnmower to cool, and then I get a hose and I wash away all those lawn clippings from the inside of the mower, and that will prevent the base from rusting out. And so far so good for this lawnmower. I haven't had any problems with rust in the base. And also lift up the side of the lawnmower and give it a good squirt with the hose around the front and any other spots that I've missed to get rid of all of those rust causing lawn clippings. And then I leave it to dry before I put it away in the shed. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Happy mowing and goodbye for now.